Hey everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm unboxing a men's ThredUP box. I am so happy. If you've been following me for a while, you know the men's box is my absolute favorite rescue box to purchase, as well as my bread and butter for any rescue box that ThredUP sells. But before I get started, I want to shout out the shirt I'm wearing, and this is my friend's line, Major Weight Apparel. If you want to check it out, I'll leave his handle right here, as well as his website down below. So make sure to check that out after you watch this video. So let's get started and unbox this ThredUP box. And a lot of you ask me on every unboxing video. This is from Vernon Hills, Illinois, that warehouse, because everyone wants to know where my boxes come from. So let's open it up and get started. Also, thank you to whoever told me that they do restock the men's boxes, because that's how I found it. I just happened to be on one Wednesday and they were back in stock. Okay, so open it up. This is what it looks like. After I took the tissue paper, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pull out first item. It looks like it's a pair of jeans. These are a pair of Levi's, and let me find the size. Okay, so these are 34 by 32, and they appear to be in really, really good condition. I love the color of them. And again, they are Levi's 513. Next item, I always get a new with tag item in any of my boxes. So happy. So this one is a polo by Ralph Lauren. Sweater, it's a blue sweater, V-neck, and the MSRP has been ripped off, but it does still have the SKU, so I can look it up and the style number, but it is a size large. Next item is another pair of pants, and this is John W. Nordstrom 3832 khakis. This is what the bottom of them looks like. This is a brand that I am unfamiliar with. I'm not sure if this is from Nordstrom's store or if that's just the brand itself. But it does say stain resistant, so that's good. Next item we have is a shirt. It says Mickey's Main Street Tree Farm, a cut above the rest, Walt Disney World. Wow. So this is really, really cool. I've never really sold anything like this, but this should be super popular with Christmas coming up, and it is a size extra large. Another new with tag item. So this is Urban Pipeline, size large, Mayflex, just a long sleeve. It's kind of like a Henley material. The MSRP on this is $25, and I love it. So, pulled out two items. I'll start with this shirt first. This is Calvin Klein jeans, size medium, short sleeve shirt, button down, and it's just a plaid. Cute. Next one that I pulled out together. This is Aeropostale, size small, another long sleeve, just a graphic t-shirt. This one I do see does have a stain. Do not worry, if items come with stains, rips, holes, as long as you put it in the description, people still buy it. They don't care. I sell lots of items that have flaws on them. It's okay. Next item, this looks like a hoodie. So this is Pull and Bear, size small. Never heard of that brand, but it's just a solid red hoodie and has some thick straps, hood. This is what it looks like. So it looks like there's 2 more items left in this men's rescue box. One of being shoes. So these are Echo. They appear to be in really nice condition. Not too bad scuffed up. There is a little stain on the back of this shoe. Let me see what size. So these are a size 11. And they're like patent leather type material. Awesome. And the last item we have in this ThredUP box is, these might be a pair of pants, let's see. So these are Eddie Bauer, and it is 30-30. These are like work cargo pants, utility pants, but Eddie Bauer. Cool. So they did go up a little bit on the price of their men's rescue box. I did pay $44 and then I had to pay $5.99 for shipping. So $49.99 total, and I received, let me count how many items. So total I received 10 items, so $4.99 per item. Not a bad deal, especially 2 of them being new with tags, and the rest of the box was in really good condition. Overall, super impressed with this box. I love rescue boxes. I love men's rescue boxes, so I'm super happy to finally have gotten this again. So that wraps up my ThredUP unboxing. Again, this is Major Weight Apparel if you want to check it out. I'll leave his Instagram handle as well as his website down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.